Hello everybody, welcome again to my channel. Today I want to present to you a monthly budget. It's very important for us to follow a budget. If you don't follow a budget, you will find yourself in financial problems. So here it is that we outline our items for our budget. We have our expenses, which is debit, our income, which is the credit. So, a typical household budget, and this is not necessarily for everybody, but what try to put them in order of importance. So you would start with your rent or your mortgage, depending on whether you own or you're renting. I always encourage people, it's better to have a mortgage rather than just renting, because there's wisdom in that. When you rent, you're not building equity in your own home, so you're simply paying off somebody's mortgage. Well, if you can't find a deposit and the down payment for a home, and you can't sustain a home, then it's better to rent. However, I have found that it's best to have a mortgage, because that way you are building equity, you have a forced saving. All right, so it's always best to buy your own home and take your time and pay for it, because over time that money will result in a saving. All right, so the next thing in terms of importance, I would put food or grocery, because that's very important for you and your family. To stay alive, you need food. Water is life, they say, so also you would need water. You need to keep the lights on, the power on. Then you have heating, or AC. Well, I don't necessarily think AC is necessary, but for those who can afford it, it's okay to have your AC. But the important thing is, in the winter, if you live in a cold country, is to have the heat. Property taxes is a must if you don't want to lose your home if you are owning. So you have to prioritize to pay your property taxes. Then you need gas for your car so you can travel to work, etc., etc. Your auto insurance, your internet comes next, your home insurance. If you have a home, it's wise for you to make sure you have that home insured. It's stupid to have a home and you don't insure it. What if there is a disaster, a fire, a flood? Then you're totally wiped out. But when you have insurance, you're covered. So life insurance is good because it helps to protect you against eventuality. If there's a disaster in your family, one of you pass away, then there's some money left behind to take care of the kids and take care of the family and take care of the bills and so on. I'm going fast because my time is short. College funds, saving for the kids' college fund, don't wait. Start early if you're planning to send your kids to college. Then your phone is necessary to keep in contact with your friends and family. Your debt, you have to pay off your debt. Try to pay a budget. Every month you budget something to pay off your debt, whether it's your credit card debt or whatever debt you're carrying. Bank fees come next, credit card, and you need to have something for entertainment. Don't just live, enjoy some of your money. Don't feel guilty when you take a night out on the town and enjoy some of your money. Go and have some fun, because life is short. We must enjoy our little money. So don't feel guilty and not enjoy your money. All right, then over here we have our income side. If it's one or two income, you put your income over there. Everybody figure will be different for this, so I did not put a figure. So all of your expenses, you would put the figure right over this expense side, how much the mortgage come to, etc., etc. All right, so hope that you learned something from this and you start live by a budget. That will help you to stay out of financial trouble. Don't just go spending what you don't have, but follow your budget as closely as possible. I should have put a miscellaneous just in case there is something you didn't cater for crops up. You notice I don't have any saving? Oh my gosh. I should have had some savings there. Anyway, the time is running out. So have some savings too, or some investments. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share this video, and leave a comment if you have a comment to make. Thank you. God bless and goodbye. Bye-bye.